Imagine turning hours of audio into clean text in just minutes without paying subscription fees, without uploading your files online, and without complicated editing software. I will show you how to use Vibe Transcribe, whether you are transcribing interviews, podcasts, lecture, voice notes, or YouTube videos. This tool makes the process fast, simple, and completely offline. Go to Google and search for Vibe app. Click on the first one here. It's free and open source and works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. And behind the scene, it uses OpenAI Whisper, one of the most accurate AI model for transcription. So I'll click on Windows and download. So I started downloading here. Okay, we have it in. I'll open it and then install. Install the software normally on your PC. I'll click on Next. Create desktop shortcut. I'll click on finish. I'll open it. So when Vibe opens for the first time, it will ask you to download a Whisper AI model. Once opened, you will see a simple main interface that is very easy to use. At the top of the interface, you can paste a link. You can drag and drop a file. That's what I'm going to use soon. And you can also record audio directly from this application. So I'm going to use the drag and drop method. If you click on select folder, you can also select the folder which you have the audio. So I will drag the audio in. I have my sample audios here in MP3 and WAV file. So let me try with the first one here. We'll drag it in and I will release. Okay, this is 23 seconds. Then I will click on transcribe. At the bottom, the app will process the file and generate full script in second or millisecond depending on the file size. After transcription, you can either copy, save it, or print it out. Then on the right side, you can also choose export format. You can export it as text, HTML, PDF, document, and so on and so forth. And you can also use this to make caption, meeting note, interview, and YouTube videos. Also, we have an extra features which you like to check, though this is optional. You click on more option. You can check the auto summary. This generates a short version of your script. And if you scroll down, you can also check this to separate different speakers. Let's say in your script or audio, you have different speaker in it. You can check that if you want. You can see, you just need to click on yes. And lastly, you can also check timestamp. Just like the way I have it here, you can see the timestamp here, okay? Because it runs locally on your PC, you can transcribe unlimited audio for free with processing speed depending on your system. And there you have it. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and see you in the next one.